A potent tropical system is churning in the Caribbean on Friday, poised to strengthen significantly as it tracks north toward the Gulf of Mexico. Forecasts show the system intensifying into a Category 3 as it approaches Florida next week, where it could become the first major hurricane for the state since 2018. The system, Tropical Depression 9, formed early Friday morning over the central Caribbean Sea and is likely to become the season's next named storm, according to the National Hurricane Center. It would be named Ian when it strengthens to tropical storm status, which it could do as early as Friday night. 9 had maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour and was around 400 miles southeast of Jamaica on Friday afternoon as it tracked west-northwest at 15 miles per hour. While the system is expected to undergo slow strengthening over the next couple of days, forecasters at the National Hurricane Center warn rapid intensification is possible, if not likely, as it passes over the very warm waters of the Caribbean and the southeast Gulf of Mexico. If it strengthens to a Category 3 or higher before reaching Florida, it would be the first major hurricane to make landfall there since Hurricane Michael in 2018, which was a monster Category 5 storm when it collided with the Florida Panhandle. Michael also underwent rapid intensification before it made landfall, a phenomenon which has been made more likely as ocean temperatures warm due to the climate crisis. Tropical storm force winds could begin to affect southwest Florida early Tuesday, with landfall possible on Wednesday. The exact timing and location of the storm's U.S. landfall will depend highly on its final path, which could shift in the coming days. The National Hurricane Center said Friday evening there was still increased track uncertainty in the forecast after it enters the Gulf of Mexico, noting weather models had shifted west in recent runs. The latest track forecast suggests much of the Gulf Coast of Florida, including the eastern Panhandle, could be at risk. As the forecasts intensify, Florida Governor DeSantis on Friday requested federal emergency assistance in anticipation of the threat and also declared a state of emergency for 24 counties. Under the state-level emergency order, members of the Florida National Guard will be activated and on standby awaiting orders. The governor urged those in the potential path of the storm to prepare. This storm has the potential to strengthen into a major hurricane and we encourage all Floridians to make their preparations, DeSantis said in a news release.